Alright, let's finally open up Godot. When you launch Godot, the first screen you will see is the Project Manager. This is where every project begins. Click the Create button. Give your project a name. I will call mine Walking Sim Tutorial. Choose a folder for it and hit Create. And here we are, the Godot Editor. Let me quickly walk you through the important parts of the interface. Over here, you will see the Scene panel. This shows all the nodes inside your current scene. On the right is the Inspector panel. Anything you select will show its properties here. Down here is the FileSystem panel. This is where all your files live. Scenes, textures, scripts, everything. The big middle area is Viewport. This is where your game world appears and where you will build scenes. Up top, you got the toolbar. You will find tools, play button and important options here. And at the bottom is the bottom panel. You will use this for output, animation, debugging, etc. But we will get to those later. Don't worry about memorizing any of this right now. You will naturally pick things up as we create things together. So let's learn by making.